Types of AI. AI has already become an integral part of our daily life. Therefore, it's important to understand what AI can actually do. In fact, AI is a broad term which includes machine learning, biodata, and natural language processing (NLP) as its subsets. These subsets can also be classified by the level of intelligence. AI can be classified into three categories: weak AI, strong AI, super AI. Let us learn about them in detail. Weak AI. It is also known as narrow AI. It is the most common type of AI that we can see and use all around us. Characteristics of this AI are as follows. It performs dedicated tasks with intelligence. It cannot perform beyond its capabilities. It is trained to perform a specific task. It fails in unpredictable situations. Apple's Siri is a good example of weak AI systems. It is a digital virtual assistant that operates within a predefined limited range of operations. Even IBM's Watson supercomputer comes under the category of weak AI. It is an expert system that combines machine learning and natural language processing. Some other examples include self-driven cars, image processing, e-commerce websites using chatbots, AI system playing chess, etc. Strong AI. It is also termed as general AI. Machines with the following characteristics will fall into this category. Machines that would perform a wider range of different tasks with intelligence similar to that of humans. It is a step ahead of weak AI by including problem solving, learning, and development. At present, we have not developed any such machines. Worldwide research is now focused on developing machines with strong AI. As these systems are in their research stage, it may take a lot of time and effort to develop them. An example of strong AI could be a machine hearing "good morning" and deciding to turn on the coffee maker. Super AI. Super AIs are in their hypothetical stage. The following are the characteristics of super AI. Systems that surpass human intelligence in performing any task will fall into the category of super AI. Super AI will be able to understand humans and evoke their own emotions and desires as well. It can be considered as the next stage of strong AI, and developing such machines will be a challenging task. Weak AI performs specific tasks. Strong AI performs a wider range of different tasks with human-like intelligence. Super AI surpass human intelligence.